Hi. In this video for this particular slide, I'm going to start looking at the way that CAD is going to be looked at in the future. Can we read it? Can I read old drawings is the big question. And sometimes the answer is no. Drawings made on CAD systems only 20, 25 years old, I can't read them, because either the program's lost to history or the CAD file is on a format that I can't read anymore, or it's just being put into an archive and I just don't know where it is anymore. So this idea of data legacy is a big one. Can I actually look at it and say, yeah, I'm going to read that in the next few years? And the answer is, I don't know half the time. Ironically, if I go back over the years and look at drawings made by Da Vinci, Wren, and everything, big old architects from the 1900s, I'm fine. Their drawings are legible. They've been done in ink, and the ink has not faded, and I can still read them. I can go back to the Egyptians, and I can see a lot of drawings that were made for that particular time, 2,000 years before Christ. I mean, it is crazy that I can't come back 20 years and look at a drawing that was made on an electronic piece of kit that was very clever for its time, and they're unreadable. So what will happen to CAD in the next 30 years? How are we going to save? Is the cloud going to be the savior of all of this? Will the cloud allow us to store drawings that are going to be readable in 30, 60, 200 years' time? I sincerely hope so. But it is something that needs to be looked at. And I sincerely hope if you're writing a report on the next 30 years, then one heading will be digital legacy. How will we sort and save the files and the drawings that we've made? If you go into big practices, it's not one CAD file anymore. It's a number of CAD files on different systems, all producing something. Either it's a fire production, or it's a rendering of a particular elevation, or a 3D rendering that was required. And sometimes we don't have those links that allow us to see that this was particularly done this way. So think carefully. Think about the next 30 years and how will CAD evolve. In the previous slide, I looked at AR and VR. Is this something that is going to take off? I sincerely think so. But how are we going to save those files? Big question.